You've probably heard of tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. Well, they represent a huge leap from old-school programming to what's essentially massive statistical prediction. And, understanding how they actually work is pretty critical. First, let's talk about the engine itself. At their core, these models are basically unbelievably sophisticated autocomplete systems. Seriously, they're just constantly running complex calculations to figure out the single most probable word to come next in a sentence. Second, how does that engine become a useful assistant? It's a three-stage process. It starts with pre-training, this really expensive phase where the model reads pretty much the entire internet to learn language and facts. Then it's fine-tuned with human-made examples to teach it how to follow instructions. And the final crucial step is reinforcement learning from human feedback, where people rank its answers, teaching the model what we find helpful and safe. But that brings us to the final and most important takeaway, the huge limitation known as hallucination. Look, these tools are fantastic for creative writing or summarizing research, but you have to remember they are trained to generate plausible text, not true text. That means they'll just make up stats or citations. So for anything important, like legal or financial advice, verification isn't just a good idea, it's non-negotiable.